Open up! It's the police! Clear!
Open up! This is the police!
Please open up! Open up!
We're gonna break in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
So, they tell me, Mark, that you've been in the resistance since the invasion of 2021, right? So I'm sure that you know that failure is or, well, never was an option for you. In this case, it's something vital for a rebellion, a weapon we call deep freeze. It took 6 years of underground research hiding it from the secret police. Now it's ready to be launched and transported over to another resistance unit 2 miles west. Another courier will be able to pick it up. That way it's hard for them to trace should something bad happen.
And that's it?
We'll keep in touch, and if anything happens, remember what I said earlier. Save your Astra. You're dismissed.
Who the hell is this?
Run.
There's a possible government sniper by your location. Don't worry about the case, it's a decoy, I have the real one.
How can I trust you?
Be careful with your life. Get out of there. Mark, there's no time.
What do you mean?
HQ, taking the shot now. Requesting backup. I'm losing the subject.
Now, you should be heading up lots of railroad tracks.
You should be on your left. Now wait.
Now run down them. The cops are in tail. It's good and bad, but it is
According to plan.
plan. What plan?
Mark, you're less than 100 meters away.
Keep tagging your path. Keep anyone possibly following you confused. Jack, I didn't know you were alive. Yeah, I'll explain. Let's go. What did Damien say the password was?
Save your Astra.
What?
Save your Astra. That's what Damien told me.
Crap, they're coming closer. How did they?
Find us?
That's a new one.
Don't worry, it's all going according to plan.
Put your hands where I can see them. You scan the case, I scan everything else.
The readings are coming in strong. I need to see what's inside.
Jack, damn it, you create one hell of a ruckus back there.
Did I?
Everyone on the scanner has been talking about you. You've knocked down the grid for maybe a good 5 solid hours. Their finger ID guns aren't working either, so the cops have no way to shoot us. That'll slow them down.
We still have the case and not all the cops fell for the decoy.
You'll have to hurry before they start looking for you guys again.
Where do I go from here?
Oh, don't worry. I think I know a place.